If you suspect a crystal in your collection might be fake, there are several indicators to consider. Genuine crystals usually feel heavier due to natural inclusions, while fakes may be lighter and mostly glass. Real crystals should feel cold to the touch rather than warm, and generally lack excessively bright or saturated colors, which can indicate dyeing. Look for air bubbles or perfect clarity, as these are signs of glass rather than natural crystals. Additionally, consider the hardness of the crystal. Genuine ones resist scratching, while glass does not. Testing the crystal with a flame can also reveal if it's plastic, and suspiciously low prices or playful names might indicate a fake. Finally, a knowledgeable retailer can provide valuable insights, so trust your intuition when assessing the authenticity of your crystals.